Iginiit ng dating Executive Secretary ng Administrasyong Duterte na ang Defense Secretary ng Aquino Administration ang may ipinangako sa China noong 2013. Pero pagpunto ng isang kongresista, may arbitral ruling na noong 2016. Kaya dapat ay hindi na ito itinuloy pagkatapos niya. Nakatutok si Jonathan Andal.
Kasabay ng paggiit na walang gentleman's agreement sina dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Chinese President Xi Jinping, idiniin sa pagdinig ng Kamara ng dating Executive Secretary ni Duterte na ang Defense Secretary ng Administrasyong Aquino ang may ipinangako umano sa China. Nilimita umano nito noon sa mga pagkain at tubig lang ang mga ipinapadala sa BRP Sierra Madre na nakasadsad sa Ayungin Shoal.
The status quo at the Ayungin Shoals where BRP Sierra Madre was in a 2013 commitment of former Defense Secretary Gasmin to the Chinese Ambassador Ma Keqing that he would only deliver food and water to the Marines stationed at the vessel.
Wala pong gentleman's agreement.
Wala, sir.
However po, we maintain the position of status quo. Supposedly na wala pong repair.
Wala, no repair whatsoever.
Wala pong gentleman's agreement, but there was an agreement in public of, there was a policy not to repair the BRP Sierra Madre. That is quite a revelation for me, Mr. Chair.
That was not during our administration. It was the previous administration.
Pero ang alegasyong yan hindi batid ng kasunod na Defense Secretary ni Gasmin na si Delfin Lorenzana.
There was no such thing transmitted to me by Secretary Gasmin. But it is not true that we did not do some repairs because in 2021, that was the start of binomba tayo ng water cannon ng China because they claim that we are bringing repair materials to Sierra Madre. We did the repairs until I left office in 2022. So tuloy-tuloy yung repair na yon ng Navy.
Sinusubukan pa namin kunin ang panig ni Gasmin. Sabi ng ilang kongresista, kung totoo man ang kasunduan noong 2013, dapat hindi na ito tinuloy ng Administrasyong Duterte dahil 2016 ay may malinaw ng arbitral ruling na nagsasabing sa Pilipinas ang Ayungin Shoal.
Hindi po binago yung supposed status quo because I think if that were the case po, no, dapat we would have postured our foreign policy anchored on the PCA ruling.
At the very least, by that time, dapat revoke na rin yung pinag-usapan na